Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is slogans for Independence Day. Number 1. Pakistan Zindabad. Number 2. Freedom is our greatest pride. Number 3. Celebrate the spirit of independence. Number 4. One nation, one dream, Pakistan. Number 5. Green and white, forever bright. Number 6. Love Pakistan, build Pakistan. Number 7. Unity, faith, discipline. Number 8. Or freedom or responsibility. Number 9. Proud to be Pakistani. Number 10. Happy Independence Day. Pakistan Zindabad. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.